In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create validation rules in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to enforce data quality and stop invalid entries before they get saved, so your reports and workflows stay clean and reliable. First, a quick overview. Validation rules define conditions that must be met before a record can be saved. Think of them as guardrails. For example, you can prevent a discount greater than 15% on a deal, or ensure a phone number has the correct number of digits. When a record doesn't meet your criteria, Zoho CRM shows an error message and blocks the save. You'll need module customization permission to set these up. Let's get started. Open Zoho CRM and click the Setup Gear icon. Under Customization, go to Modules and Fields. This is where you manage the structure of your data. Choose the module where you want to control inputs, like leads, contacts, or deals. Inside that module's settings, open the Validation Rules tab. Then click Create New Validation Rule to begin. Now configure the rule. If your org uses multiple layouts, pick the layout where the field appears so the rule applies in the right place. Next, choose the field you want to validate. For most use cases, select the validation type called Based on Criteria. This lets you define clear conditions such as greater than, less than, equal to, or contains. Decide when the validation should run. Save only triggers the rule at the moment of saving the record, which is great for end-of-form checks. Field Verify and Save runs both when the field is verified and again on save, providing earlier feedback so users can correct issues as they go. Set your validation conditions. Define the primary condition that should trigger the rule, like discount greater than 15. You can refine it further with secondary conditions to target specific cases, such as applying the rule only when region equals north. Then add the error message. Users will see if they violate the rule. Keep it clear and actionable. For example, discount cannot exceed 15%. Use plain language so users know exactly how to fix the entry. When everything looks right, click Save. The rule becomes active immediately and will prevent records from saving unless the criteria are met. That's it. With a few thoughtful rules, you'll reduce errors, speed up data entry, and keep your CRM trustworthy for sales, marketing, and reporting.